So ayan guys, tapos ko na naikabit guys yung bowl at lababo. Ayan guys, saka itong pintuan guys, yan pintuan ng kanyang CR. Ayan guys, ayan guys po, waterline lang ko lang yan guys, ayaw muna palagay kasi guys. Ayan, saka dito guys sa baba yan guys.